We are this morning here for the opening of the Africa Plant Breeder Association Symposium or conference, which reunites people working around genetic resources, plant genetic resources. So the focus is Africa, it's the continent, but we have people from all over the place, from the continent, but also from other regions of the world. So the objective of the conference is, the first thing is about networking and putting people together. So they do the research, they integrate the research, and we have also, we're talking about breeding, so improving the plant genetic of crops, but it's linked to many other things. So it's biodiversity conservation, it's also value chains, seed systems. So one thing is to produce and improve seeds, another one is to have that seed being adopted by farmers. So why are we breeding crops? Well, we are breeding crops for different things. The first thing is to increase yields, but more and more it's also to face challenging situations like climate change, abiotic stress or biotic stress, like insects and pests. So the plant breeding is the center of the thing, but it's a systemic vision of how to improve food security in Africa, stability and resilience of African food systems. I will say that, if you look at crops in Africa, in rain-fed systems, we produce 30 to 40% of the potential we can produce. And why? Different reasons. We are not using the best seeds, we are not using the best agronomy management practices, and we are not using enough inputs like fertilizer. So genetic resources and crop improvement is part of the solution to fill the yield gap on crops in Africa and increase food security and sustainability.